Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. Alright, let's begin with video. First of all, open any preferred browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search for Google Calendar. Now, open the first website that appears in the search results and you will be prompted to sign into your Google account. After signing in, your Google Calendar will be displayed on your screen. In order to add it to your desktop, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, navigate to the Save and Share feature and then select Create Shortcut. Now, checkmark the statement that says Open as Windows and click on the Create button. If you go to your desktop homepage, you will be able to access Google Calendar easily with just a double click on the shortcut icon. So that's basically how you can add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.